in the center of 5 Thai provinces, surrounded by 3 international major tourist destinations: Phuket, Koh Samui and Krabi, with millions of foreign tourists arriving yearly. Landfills are now overflowing with plastic waste. There is an urgent need for a recycling solution, targeting the ocean plastic and waste from the islands. Plastic waste collected from the Gulf of Thailand and the Andaman Ocean. Working together with fishermen and local organizations. Creating jobs, new opportunities and changing lives. All while cleaning the environment. Corsair is happy to announce, launching in 2023, Corsair Thailand South. One beach and one island at a time. Together, we will make a difference. Corsair, for a cleaner future.